How to fix your entire life in one day. You woke up today and thought, damn, my life's a mess. Not disaster movie bad, but enough that even your reflection looks disappointed in you. So here's the big promise. You can fix your entire life in one day. Not perfect it, fix it. Reboot the system. Clean out the psychological fridge. Let's go. Step 1. Clean your environment. Before you fix your mind, fix your space. You're not lazy, you're overwhelmed. Your brain mirrors your surroundings, and right now it's a junk drawer. Spend the next hour decluttering like you're about to fake your death and disappear. Throw out anything that doesn't scream, new life, who dis? Step 2. Declare a tech fast next. Throw your phone into a drawer. Yes, you'll survive. No, you don't need to check that notification. It's just another meme or mild existential crisis. Today, no doom scrolling, no TikTok rabbit holes, just you. And reality. Terrifying, I know. Step 3. Write down your actual problems. Grab a notebook. Now dump everything swirling in your head. Not your vibe is off. Real stuff. Money, health, identity crisis. Write it. Most of your problems aren't massive. They're just unorganized mental clutter. Label them. Understand them. Because if you can name it, you can tame it. Step 4. Reset your body. Drink water like you just crawled out of a desert. Eat one actual nutrient. Take a 30-minute walk like you're on a quest to meet your higher self in sweatpants. Movement is medicine. Your brain is a chemistry lab, not a drama studio. Get the formula right. Step 5. Consume one powerful idea. Read, watch, or listen to one idea that actually makes your neurons dance. Not 47 YouTube videos. One solid thing. Stoic wisdom. Naval Ravikant. Viktor Frankl. Doesn't matter, as long as it punches your soul awake. This isn't escape, it's realignment. Step 6. Create a plan for the next 7 days. Now that your brain isn't drowning, let's plan. No, not your 5-year vision board with yachts and abs. Just 7 days. One goal, one habit, one upgrade. Clarity beats ambition. Momentum greater than motivation. Step 7. Burn the old story. The real enemy isn't the world. It's your own stale narrative. I'm just not that type of person. I always mess it up. I'm too old, too late, too tired. Burn it. Today that story dies. From this moment forward, you write a new one. Step 8. Do one hard thing right now. Still with me? Good. Do one hard thing now. Make the call, send the email, apply for the thing. Hard things are the price of change. Pay up. Most people never start. You're not most people. You can't fix everything in one day, but you can change direction. And direction is everything. Turn your life 1 degree today, and in a year, you're in a whole new place. So yes, you can fix your entire life in one day. Not by achieving perfection, but by finally taking control. No one's coming to save you. But that's the best news. Because the hero you've been waiting for has always been you. If this hit you like a philosophical slap, leave a comment. What's one thing you're changing today? And hey, if you're tired of shallow noise and want to keep building your mind, smash that subscribe button. Stillcore is just getting started.